In the heart of the village, under the shade of the old Iroko tree, the elders often spoke of Chukwudi. They didn't talk about his wealth or his strength, but about the way he loved his wife, Adaugo. He treats her like a queen, one would say, watching them pass, their hands intertwined. It was a rare sight, a love so open, so gentle. Every morning, as the sun painted the sky, you could find Chukwudi by the stream, helping Adaugo fetch water, or in their compound, pounding yams while she prepared the soup. The whispers in the village were constant. Is he not the man of the house? Some would mutter. But Chukwudi paid them no mind. His love wasn't for show. It was in the steady rhythm of his daily actions, each one a testament to his devotion. He remembered his father's words, spoken softly one evening years ago. "My son," he had said, "a wife is not a servant. She is a mirror. The love and respect you show her will be reflected back onto you, making your home strong." This wisdom was the foundation upon which Chukwudi built his marriage. One season, the rains were sparse, and Chukwudi's business struggled. He returned home one night, his shoulders heavy with worry. Adaugo met him at the door, her eyes full of understanding. Instead of frustration or blame, he found a partner. "We will face this together," he told her, his voice firm with resolve. "Your strength is my strength." Later that week, under the quiet gaze of the moon, Adaugo turned to him. "Thank you," she whispered, "for not letting our troubles break your spirit or your kindness." Chukwudi simply held her hand. "It is you who gives me reason to be kind," he replied. Their secret wasn't a grand gesture, but the quiet, shared gratitude that filled the spaces between them. At the New Yam festival, as the drums beat and the village celebrated, Chukwudi and Adaugo walked through the crowd. They moved as one, a portrait of unity and grace. The elders nodded in approval. They saw more than just a man and his wife. They saw a home built on the unshakable foundation of love and respect, a true example for all to see. Thanks for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like and subscribe for more.